Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Clothing is a necessity that protects us from the environment, but it's also a form of self-expression that gives the wearer more confidence. If you find people that wear similar things, it can give a sense of community and belonging. Or you might actually like the fact that you are unique and one of a kind. But no matter what someone wears on the outside, it is important to never judge a book by its cover. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a jacket laid out on the floor. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character is pronounced yi, and it means clothes. When combined with another character, it sometimes changes to look like this. It is used in these words, yu yi, which means raincoat, and mao yi, which means sweater. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, let's add a character that means hair. This is portraying clothing that is made from animal skins with the fur or hair on the outside surface. It also came to have the meaning of watch because it's supposed to be worn on the wrist and very visible on the surface. This character is pronounced biao, and it means surface. It is used in these words, shou biao, which means wristwatch, and biao shi, which means show or express. Here's the next character. Can you see the main character? This character looks really similar to the main character, but the horizontal line is emphasized a little more to symbolize a cover. The clothing of a farmer typically includes a wide-brimmed hat to block the sun. This character is pronounced nong, and it means agriculture or farmer. It is used in these words, 농촌, which means rural area, and 농민, which means farmer or peasant. Let's see another character. Do you see the main character? The character on the right means hand. To create the character for underwear, the phonetic sound of this character, 춘, is combined with the character 이. This character is pronounced 춘, and it means underwear or lining. To remember this character, you can think of underwear as clothing that is thin enough to hold in one hand. Here's the last character. Now the character on the right means hair or decorate, and is pronounced shàn, which is borrowed for the pronunciation of the whole character. This character is pronounced shàn and means unlined upper garment. To remember this character, you can think of wonderfully decorated unlined upper garment shirts. It is used in this word, 춘산, which means shirt or blouse. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.